Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. अच्छा, this is a compulsory question in your exam, right? Yes, बेटा. अच्छा, अब इसके अंदर what you need to know that in this question, you are asked to like there is a question that was set in. अच्छा, the question pattern is same, na almost. Sometimes the weightage is different, 4 marks, 5 marks, or 6 marks. Like here in this question, you are asked to. It is described that an office has an automated lighting system. When movement is detected in the lights are switched on. If the movement is not detected for a period of 2 minutes, the lights are switched off. ठीक है. The system uses a sensor and a microprocessor. Describe how the microprocessor and lighting system uses a sensor and microprocessor. ठीक है भाई. अब इसके अंदर इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का मेथड क्या है कि व्हाट विल वी डू. फर्स्टली वी विल राइट डाउन द रोल ऑफ अ सेंसर. Right. Acha, the sensor is basically an input device that produces signals. Acha, the signals which are produced by the sensor are analog signals. So, and computer cannot understand analog signal. Computer need digital data. So we use ADC. ADC will convert this analog signal into digital and send to microprocessor. Right. Now microprocessor will compare this data with the preset value. You have set some values and microprocessor will compare it with the preset value. And if the data is out of range, then microprocessor will send signals. The signal which are generated by microprocessor are digital. These are converted into analog with the help of DAC and sent to devices that will act according to the instructions, and these devices are known as uh, these devices are known as uh, actuator. Acha, in this question you need to describe these things, right? But what you need to do, you need to modify this, describe it according to the given situation. राइट. अब इसके अंदर होगा ये कि यू विल यूज द सेम, यानी यू विल डिस्क्राइब सेंसर, एडीसी, डिजिटल सिग्नल्स, माइक्रो प्रोसेसर, डिजिटल सिग्नल, डीएसी, एनालॉग सिग्नल्स एंड. अच्छा, सेंसर विल प्रोड्यूस एनालॉग सिग्नल्स. These are converted into digital and sent to microprocessor, right? And then microprocessor will convert. अच्छा, अब इसको इस क्वेश्चन के रेफरेंस के अंदर आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है. तो फर्स्टली यू विल डिस्क्राइब द सेंसर. If there is a movement, you are asked to detect the movement. If there is a movement, so we will use infrared sensor. So infrared sensors are used that monitors movement. Acha, sensors generates analog signals. These signals are converted into digital with the help of ADC, right? These signals are sent to microprocessor, right? Microprocessor compares this data, this data with preset values. preset values, right? Acha, if the preset values are out of range, it means movement is detected. If preset values are, if receiving data is out of range, then movement is detected. Microprocessor sends signals to switch on lights, right? The signals produced by microprocessor are digital and converted into analog using DAC. These analog signals are sent to actuator, which will switch on the lights, right? This process will continue in an infinite loop because it will continuously send signals, right? If movement is not detected for a period of 2 minutes, then microprocessor will send signals to switch off the lights. Yes, beta. You will write down this answer for 5, 6, or 4 marks. Huh? Now I am showing you an response of a student. देखिए क्या कह रहा है ये? Infrared sensors are can be used. Acha, how it is not detected? We have mentioned that if the signals are out of range, then movement is detected. Huh? Acha, bhai. What it says, an infrared sensor can be used. It means he has mentioned the name of the sensor. So 1 mark will be awarded for that. The data from the sensor is transmitted to a microprocessor and ADC converts analog data to digital, right? It's okay. The processor compares the data from the sensor with the stored values, right? It's okay. If there is a movement detected, movement is detected, it should be clearly mentioned that how the movement is detected. The movement is detected if the data receiving data is out of range in the preset values, right? You will compare this data with the preset value. If the data is out of range, then movement is detected. So marks for comparison will not be awarded. It will send a signal that the light to switch on. If no light detected, means no movement is detected for 2 minutes, it will send a signal to the light to switch off. This is a continuous process and works in an infinite loop. Now you will see that the first mark is awarded for the correct sensor, right? The second mark is awarded for the transmission of data to the microprocessor. The third mark is awarded for the conversion data from analog to digital. The fourth mark is awarded for the comparison of the data with the preset value. The reference to movement detected is too vague. For the condition tested, the candidate needs to state if the data value together than to greater than or less than the stored values. The fifth mark is awarded for the stating the process is continuous. Now, how this answer can be improved? The candidate did not give a proper comparison of the data from the sensor and the data stored. They just stated that if the movement is detected, if the candidate had indicated that it would mean movement had detected. For example, the value received was outside the range of the stored value, then another mark would have been awarded. राइट बेटा, ये एक क्वेश्चन है. देन इसी क्वेश्चन का एक पार्ट मैं आपको करवाऊं, दिखाऊं एक मिनट. हाँ, यस
सर वो जो कैलकुलेशन करते हैं ना एमबी पिक्सल से एमबी निकालने के लिए, वो भी बताएगा.
हाँ, मैं भी करवाता हूँ. अच्छा भाई, बस एक इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर एक चीज मुझे दिखाना है. कॉमन मिस्टेक्स, और ये बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, तो मैं आपको ये शो कर रहा हूँ. कॉमन मिस्टेक्स दैट मेड candidates made in this question. Candidates often made a vague statement such as if motion is detected. Candidate need to be more specific and provided a higher level of response about how the motion was detected. For example, the value received was greater than the values stored.
सर
Right,
हमें
बच्चों?
ग्रेड में लेसर लिखना जरूरी है, पर सिर्फ आउट ऑफ रेंज लिखे तो सर एक्सेप्टेबल है.
Out of range is acceptable. Right? ये हो गया. ये वाला क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया बेटा, सेंसर वाला. अब आप